kahit pa paano, I've been given the chance to host game shows, maraming promo, dahil na kahit pa paano nagawa. But safe to say, na isa to, kung hindi man ito na ang pinakamalaki, this is the biggest and one of the most exciting promos that the Philippines has ever had. So,